Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll learn some super useful English vocabs that you can use every day. Let's begin with bathroom vocabs. Bucket, mug, soap dish, bathroom stool, basin, bathtub, faucet, towel. Now let's talk about the 8 phases of the moon. New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon waning gibbous, last quarter waning crescent. And finally, let's learn some food vocabulary. Rice pudding, fritters, porridge, buttermilk, pickle, chickpea salad, jaggery, pasta.